Hello learners, welcome to Cash Education. In this video, we'll see some basics about the bar chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's go to an Excel sheet. So this is my dummy Excel sheet and this is my dummy data. Again, I have two types of data. I have a text plus number data and a number plus number data. Now let's understand why do we need a separate bar chart. Okay, first we'll select the data. Okay, and we'll introduce our regular column chart. How do we do that with a shortcut? Alt plus F1. So you see, I've got myself a 1 second column chart. I'm placing it on the side of the data. Now, I'll select the same data again, and to introduce a bar chart, I'll click on Insert. Under Insert, these are the recommended charts. So I'm going to select this. And you come here, you see the 2D bar. Okay, so this is the different type of bar chart that we have, and we are going to choose the simplest one. And now we have got ourselves our bar chart. So what is the difference between a column chart and a bar chart? It's obvious that a column chart arranges the data in vertical manner, whereas the bar chart arranges the data in horizontal manner. Now, why are the two different and why do we need two of them? If you go ahead and see, column chart here gives you a broad data sheet, okay, and it is slightly difficult to interpret which product is doing better. Obviously, you know that this is the longest bar here doing the better, the mobile section, and you can see the sales. However, it takes more than a few seconds to understand this. Whereas in a bar chart, it becomes very easier. You tend to look at the longest bar, which is this one, and you know it's the mobile, making a costing of 1 lakh rupees. So here, the interpretation becomes easy, and also you see that this chart is smaller. So it has compressed all the information, the bars are smaller, and you can interpret it easily. Whereas here, you will have more bars increasing as you increase your different variables. So this is one of the benefits. The other benefits I'll show you. Let's delete the two charts again. Now we'll select the number plus number data and we'll insert a column chart again. So Alt plus F1. So I've got myself a column chart. Now you know that we have to change the column chart data. How do we do that? We have to go to select data and under the horizontal axis, we are going to shift this data here. So that I see my data. Okay, so I'll shift this here so that I can see my data. Now I'll select the data. And for the horizontal axis, I want the years. So I'm going to edit and select my years. I'm going to click on OK. Under the legend or the vertical axis, I'm only going to keep sales. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select year, remove it. So I only have sales showing up. And I'm going to click OK. So now I've got myself a column chart. I'll do the same thing. And in this way, I'll insert a bar chart. How do we insert a bar chart? We select the data, click on insert. Under the column, we use the 2D bar. Now here, we'll have to do the same changes. So I'll do it quickly, so that you understand how we are going around. So I have made the changes and now you see. So now, why have I shown you two different types of charts here with two different types of data? If you see here, you can see that how each year has performed. However, in a bar chart, you can compare how the progress has been all through the years. So it's easier to show that when you started earlier, so if the company started in 2000 and the sales made was somewhere around 10,000 at that moment, now it has escalated to somewhere around 25,000 or 30,000. So this is the profit that the company has made. This is the progress that the company has been doing, which is slightly difficult to interpret in a column chart. Here I'm able to do that because I can easily mark. So I see that this is hyphen here and then I have 20,000 here. So 0 to 20,000. In the center, it is 10,000. Whereas here, if I go to the year 2000, it becomes slightly difficult to interpret. So that is the difference between a column chart, regular one, and a special bar chart. So if you have this kind of data or yearly progress data, or you have a data which has lot of variables like these different sales that I showed you, the different products, or maybe you will have different customers, different clients, different companies name, then it is better to go for a bar chart. So give this a try. Let me know whether you can work it out on your own or not. You can use this dummy data from here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I will see you again next time. Thank you.